Hi guys, my name is Ivan. So today I'm going to show you how to use Africastalking. A little bit about Africastalking. Africastalking is a telecommunication company that provides communications and payment APIs for within Africa. So basically, most of the APIs include SMS, USSD. So this is their website. So we can come here. When you move to the, you can see the products they provide. They provide SMS, it's the voice payments and airtime and IoT. So Internet of Things. Yeah. So basically today I want to show you how to send SMS, a basic SMS, like one SMS to a person using Africastalking from your website or an application or from your backend. So a little bit about me. I'm a software developer. Actually, I'm a one-stack developer. I started developing back in 2016. I have an experience of 3+ years. So I just wanted to do these videos just because I see sending SMS is an essential thing in Kenya. Most companies want to send SMS to their clients, their customers. Yeah. So let's get started on how to integrate. So I'll try to do every API within the SMS, the USSD, the voice, the payments, airtime and IoT. So everything I will do it. So please you can follow my channel, subscribe, and yeah. So let's get started. So the first thing you should do, you should come here to the login button. First of all, you have to create an account. So I already have an account. So let's create my account. I think I already have an account. So let's create one. So basically, after you create an account, you'll receive an email. As you can see, your account is not activated. Please verify your email. Let me resend this email. Okay, a verification has been sent. Okay, so let's go to my email and verify that email. Okay. Let's wait some minutes. It will think. Let's refresh. Okay, this is it. I click to verify account. So yes, I verified my account right now. So the first thing, when you come to the Africastalking, as you can see here on your sidebar, on your left side there's the home, my accounts, contacts. On your right top corner there's the docs, and your user profile. You can log out from here. So this is the sandbox. If you want to test your APIs on the sandbox, you can try do that here, but I'll try to show you how to create a team and how to start and also do the basic thing. Okay guys, so the first thing is to create a team. So you can name this team anything you want. So let's say 2020. Let's come up with an application like SMS COVID-19 alert, yeah, something like that. So you can save it. So after creating a team, you can okay, as you can see here, use teams to create and manage your production ready applications, right? So let's get into the SMS. Click the SMS team. So you'll be brought to this next page. After this, right here you can create as many apps you guys have. So here, if you want to create an app. So let's say this is a COVID-19 app, right? Name, username, it's a COVID-19 application. Save. The username is taken, so let's try again. So let's say COVID-19 SMS, COVID-19 SMS. So as you can see here, our first app has been created. So we will go, I will click on the COVID-19 SMS, and this will direct us to the next page. This is the main dashboard. As you can see here on your left right corner, these are the various features you can get: the voice, USSD, airtime, payments, IoT, billing, setting. So all this I will go through them later. Here, as you can see, this is the balance. As first, when you create an account, Africastalking will give you 10 shillings cash as a free. And right here, as you can see, if you click here, it will take you back to the home. Let's try, like, it will take you back here to the home page, and this is the docs. Let's open this in the next tab. Let me close all these tabs. Okay, so basically, as you can see, these are graphs. You can see bulk SMS, premium SMS, airtime, USSD, payments, and voice, right? So we want to send first of all, I will go through all this: inbox, bulk SMS, shortcodes, alphanumeric keywords, SMS callback URLs. I will explain what shortcodes are and alphanumericals. So shortcodes, let me explain before we start. So shortcodes, imagine you have a company. It's like your brand name. As you can see, a brand new outgoing messages with an easy to remember number. So yeah, just brand you you love to purchase. Here I think you have to request one. You come here, request one. You'll have to provide this information, and then you submit a request. I know Africastalking will get in touch with you, and then they will provide you with further details on how to purchase the USSD, the shortcode. The other one is the alphanumerics. Alphanumerics, these are the mostly your business name if you want. So for example, let's take Safaricom. All those SMSs you guys get, the Safaricom name, Safaricom. As you can see here, for example, your business. Okay, for example, your business name is 12 Limited. You can purchase that alphanumeric and brand messages going out from your account as being from Auto Ltd. So yeah, that's it. Also here you can just request one, and Africastalking will get back to you. The support team will get back to you. Yeah. So the first thing we will do is come here to the AT developers. We want to send an SMS, just sending one SMS to one person. So we will come here. We will go to the sending SMS. We'll click on here. And we can come here on overview. Sending the premium. So send bulk SMS. So this is the API. I recommend one to read all on this. You can check all the request parameters that provided. You'll have to provide the username. So the username is this. You have Africastalking application username. When you go back, this is the username. As you can see here, the COVID-19 SMS that we created. Okay, and then two comma separated string recipient phone numbers. So here in the two, you will provide your phone numbers. So the messages to be sent, this is where you insert your message that you want to be sent. Right here from it will be a string. This is where you can insert your you can assign your shortcode or alphanumeric. Okay, yes. I recommend everyone to look at all this. I want this video to be short, so let's get started. So basically, when you come to this page, you will come here to the code samples. You click on this icon right here. Then I'm a Node.js developer, so I will show you guys how to use the Node.js. Yeah, code they have provided right here. So just click on the Node.js one. If you want to run this code online, you can run it. Basically, you can just click on this. It will take you to another page. we'll run it online, but we want to try this on a real life application, right? So basically, as you all know, Node.js, right? So let me open my terminal. Let's create a new application. This is normally use Terminator. I don't know if everyone. Let me increase. Let me zoom it out. Terminator, yeah, and focus. Wait a minute. Let me. Okay. Let me use the normal terminal. Okay. This is the normal terminal. I'm actually using Linux, guys, so okay. Yes, let me zoom it out. Yeah, that's what I wanted. So basically we will move it. I hope everyone knows how to for those who are using Mac or Windows computer, hope you guys are familiar with these Linux commands. So I'm currently moving to the desktop folder, so directory. Sorry about that. So in the desktop directory, we will create a new application, right? A new folder. So let's make a new folder. Let's first think of, let's say, AT, and then inside the AT, let's create another folder called SMS, right? Let's say one SMS, like that. So we can say one SMS, and then I'm using Node.js, so I hope everyone knows how to first initialize a new application, a new Node.js application. So to do this, we just do npm init y. Okay, so you have started creating your first Node.js application. As you can see here, let's first clear this. Let's say ls. As you can see, the only is the package.json, right? So what do we really need? Okay, we want to create a new file. First of all, let me open my IDE. I'm using Visual Studio Code. I prefer that. So this is this is the only. So this is the only file that is right now. So as you can see, this is the main file, index.js. So I'm coming here, I'll create a new index.js file, right? So so let's go back to the SMS one. All right, so in the SMS we will have to install this package, the Africastalking package. You can come here, Africastalking, npm, just type Africastalking npm. This is the npm package that you will have to install in your application. So I'm going to do npm install, save Africastalking. I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to my terminal, and then I will do that. It will take some time. So guys, as it takes some time, so I want to tell you more about myself. I like programming. I think I've done a lot, even if I'm young, in this programming field. My dream is to become the best developer. I'm actually in Kenya. I know it sounds yeah, but that's my dream right now. Yeah, and I also want to teach people what I have in my mind. Sometimes I might be wrong, so you guys can comment in my section and tell me if I'm wrong, if I'm right, and I'll appreciate it so much. So as it downloads, wait, it will take a minute. I should have paused the video, but anyway. I'll also show you guys how to send multiple SMSs to one SMS to multiple people, so like a bulk SMS. So don't worry about that, guys. So I'll show you guys. So basically after that, you actually are done. So the best thing, so right now we can come here, you can copy all this if you want to. Copy paste all this, then copy paste in your index.js file right now, like that. Then as you can see, they've said you have to provide your username and API key, right? So to get your API key, you'll have to come here to your settings, API key, and then provide your password. So my password was let me write it down, generate. It will generate a API key for all this. So I'll just have to copy that and then paste it here. Another thing is the username, right? The username, so I'm going to paste it right here. Another thing, so this is the Africastalking, the package that you have installed it, okay? Get the SMS service, okay? This is the next step, and then this is the function that will send the SMS, right? So basically here too, so basically I'll show you how to let me use my number right now. So my number is +254799010 right? So because right now we don't have a shortcode right now, you can, this is optional, like you can comment that if you have if you get the bulk shortcode or alphanumeric, this is where you will have to input, you will put your alphanumeric or shortcode right here. So another thing is the message. So I want to say like hello Africastalking, right? Let's say like that, yeah, hello Africastalking. And then right here I want to console the response, so I'm going to create a new function. Okay, I'll console log response, and also right here you can create a new, like, catch, it will catch an error. So write a new function. I'm using fat arrow functions, guys. So if you run this, if you run all this program right now, it will send an SMS to my phone. So let me do this right now. So npm install, no, I'm using nodemon. Let me clear all this stuff. So let's say I hope I have nodemon. So nodemon, okay, as you can see here, this message has been sent. Total cost 0.800 shillings. If you have heard my phone, it has a message has come to my message right now. That's Africastalking, and you have been charged 0.80 shillings, right? When you come here to your balance. As you can see, if you refresh that, 0.3 shillings has been charged. And then here you can see it's Safaricom. The SMS has gone to Safaricom. Yeah, basically for now that's it, guys. So the next video I'll show you guys how to send a bulk SMS to multiple. If you have like 3,000 customers, I'll show you guys how to do that in a simple way. Yeah, so thank you guys. I'm a new developer, and I'm new to this stuff, so please, my voice may not be the best voice, but I hope you guys can support. Yeah, and yeah, share your comments down there, subscribe, and thank you.